Hey guys, I'm Sweaterr, team captain of NiP's PUBG team, and I have a gift here from ASUS. This is the SCAR 2. Right now you're just looking at the box, but let's just jump right into it. So as far as the box goes, it's actually super high quality. You can reuse it. It has a handle too for traveling. This is the laptop right here. The sleeve protects it from dust and also just, again, helps travel. So now that we have the box open, let's check out the components inside. I believe this is the power adapter with the ROG logo. So that's really cool. And then I believe over here we have the power cable to the power adapter. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Okay, so this is stickers. So if you are a fan of ASUS and want their stickers on your laptop, that's cool too. Throw it on the case. And here, this is a keychain. So again, if you're also a fan of keychains, you can throw that on there. Super cool. And soon, I'll be jumping into the laptop as well as the specs. So here we have the SCAR 2. I'm gonna pull it out of its sleeve here. Again, the sleeve is for dust as well as travel. So here's the laptop. We have the ROG logo, Republic of Gamers right here, and what looks to be a camo design along the bottom, which I think displays how much battery is left too, among other things. Let's open it up. So here's the inside of the laptop. Turn it on. So again, we have the Kevlar or camo design going along the bottom. Looks cool and sounds cool. And then we have the light bar right here. And yeah, the WASD actually shows off that it is the FPS laptop, whereas the Hero has the QWER as MOBA. But this is the SCAR 2 for FPS gamers.
All right, so we've unboxed the SCAR 2. Now let's test it.
The SCAR 2 gaming laptop has the world's first super narrow bezel display at 144 Hz with a 3 millisecond response time. With an 8th generation i7 processor and a GeForce GTX 1070, you'll be able to play your games with an abundance of frames. These frames will be reflected by the hertz rate of the display, and with a 3 millisecond response time, your gaming experience will be smooth and straightforward. The SCAR 2 is also equipped with a gaming center, with the highlight of the tools being Aura Sync. This allows you to sync all your LEDs at once to make your gear look as cool as possible.
Alright, so I've just finished playing PUBG on the SCAR 2. The game felt smooth, the frames were good, and I could definitely see myself playing on this laptop in the near future.